She got that splah. Splah.
Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell.
Hello, you guys. It's Krissy Marie back with another video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, then you might as well subscribe. Simply because me and my K babies are lit, and we lit because we're really like that. Period. And if you're subscribed, you can most definitely do that too. So make sure you hit that notification bell and make sure you comment down below so you know when I post lit content. Period. Okay, y'all. So I had some weave in my hair, right? Some non-luxurious bundles. So I got my best friend to take those out yesterday, and I'm gonna do my hair for class. I definitely woke up late. Got the eco style. I was supposed to get up at, what time was I supposed to get up? At 7, y'all. I could not sleep last night. Last night I had one of those nights where I could not sleep. I have class at 10 o'clock, but I like to get to class early. If you're a college student, it's best to get to class 15 to 20 to 30 minutes early, because people in college do not know how to stick with their seats. They like to take your seat and don't take my seat, because I'm gonna stand there and look at you. Yes, there's no assigned seats in college, but everybody knows the first day, maybe like the first, second, or third day, if you sit in this one specific seat, that is your seat. I mean, that's kind of like the golden rule. So one day I overslept, got to class maybe like 5 minutes before it started, and this girl was in my seat, and I don't like that. I like to stay in one area, one spot, whatever. So I'm gonna do my hair. You already know my hair looking a little rough though, because honey, yeah, it was in braids. And you already know, like, with me, whenever I take out my hair or get my sewing taken out, I do not take out my braids. I say braid. Yeah, I don't wash my hair right then and there. I like to get a couple wears out of it before I wash it. So yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna put my hair in a high bun, because it's gonna be cute. Period. 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 This is my go-to. And they probably should not be my go-to, but that's my go-to hairstyle, a high bun. Y'all remember what I was talking about? One of my friends called me. I don't remember. But yeah. Oh yeah, a company sent me some hair. So I am going to be doing some locks again. I know y'all like when I wear my natural hair out, so I was like, I'm gonna wear it out for y'all, do some styles. I have a couple things I want to do. I'm not gonna tell y'all what though. Y'all just gotta stay tuned for these videos. I don't know when I'm gonna post this video. It's gonna be soon, because I got another video I gotta post before this. Y'all, I be having videos that I record and I just don't post them. It's like, I love making videos for y'all, but that editing, baby, that editing is what be getting me. Sometimes I be seeing why like bigger YouTubers, they pay somebody. Then again, they do it themselves. But see, I don't have the best editing software yet because I'm small. And it's like, I don't want to. I'm just basically like upgrading as I go. You know? Like, I don't need to buy all that new stuff. Because if y'all really rock with me, I feel like if y'all really rock me how you rock with me, I don't need all the fancy stuff yet. Although I want it. But everything's a process, because people don't know, like, when having a YouTube channel, like, you gotta invest in your channel. Like, you really do. Like, I've been having to invest in stuff, and it's stuff that I have to finish investing in, because there's so much stuff I want to do for you guys. Y'all see this? I don't know what that is. It's like my hair got thicker. like my hair to be slick because it's a slick back bun. I'm gonna show y'all another step that I normally do to make it extra. That's why I say extra sleek. Okay. So I normally get my edge control. This is the off-brand, I guess you could say, edge booster. It's True Edge. So, of course, that's how much I got. So I'm going to, you know, flip it this side. And I always kind of like just put it around my perimeter. I always do that. Because I notice it gives it a look when I do that to like my perimeter. Okay, y'all see it? Y'all see them waves? Oh, splash, 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 splash. She got that splah. Okay, so I'm gonna brush it up. I don't even know if I want the twiggies today. I don't want the twiggies today. So the twiggies are gonna go up. I ain't feeling them today. So I'm gonna brush my hair up one time. Bruh, y'all see it on wet? Tell them to stop playing. Cause they playing with me. So I keep forgetting that my hair is thick. So I have to tie the ends up. Then I'm gonna put it in a bun cause that was just too difficult. And sometimes you won't have to do that if you have thick hair, just to get it out the way. Okay, so now we're gonna wait. Tie it up. Boom. That was definitely easier for me to do. Okay, y'all. Got that out the way. Okay. We gonna minimize it. What I normally do is I am going to like put this part like in a bun. Y'all see how like it's in a bun? Okay. So let me find some bobby pins. This is my box of my bobby pins. Let me get lower, cause y'all, I'm tall. I'm just gonna kind of like, just wrap it around. You see that? Get the bobby pin. I'm just gonna pin it. Just pin it. Okay. I'm gonna pin this side too. Cute little top knot. I wish my joint had some more curl definition though, cause what the freak? That's okay. We need here from these edges. So I'm not even gonna give y'all no tutorial for my edges, cause if y'all want that, then y'all can let me know. Like be like, so we want an edge tutorial. That's if y'all even like how I do my edges. y'all, so where my hair tie? So I done lost my hair tie. Oh, okay. Alright, y'all, so I'm mad that my bun ain't got no type of curl, bro. It just look like I got, but that's to expect. It just looks like I have just like a puff. But there's curls. I like curls. Where's my spray bottle? Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna spray my puff. Oh, wow. Wrong level. I'm gonna spray my puff just a little bit to see if any type of curls come. I'm not gonna do too much because, listen. Okay, so I need to tie it for a good little second because I got class in like 10 minutes. So I'm gonna tie my hair for 10 minutes. When I have class 10 minutes, I have class at 10 o'clock and it's 9:25. I'm gonna tie my hair down. Y'all know the vibes. Tie it and I'm gonna let it set. And then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all this splah. This goddamn splah, cause it's finna be fire. I haven't had a bun in like a month and I've been missing it. Oh, thank you God for another day of life, health, and strength. Simply because a lot of people did not get to see another day on today, but I did, and I'm truly thankful and grateful in a mighty special day. Today is going to be a great day. Today is going to be a great day, a great day, a great day. Amen. I always have this routine in the morning where normally, like, as soon as I wake up, I thank God for allowing me to see another day. Because so many people did not wake up last night, and we don't even know it. But we did, and we should be thankful. We should be grateful. We should just, just give God the praise for waking us up. Because that's honestly a blessing that people overlook. I'm breathing, I'm well, all of that. Okay, y'all, so I let my hair sit, and I'm not trying to... This is why I was supposed to get up early. I didn't want to let it sit. I didn't want to let it sit for too long. Because your girl got to go so I can get my seat. Okay, I'm just hoping that it lays good. I'm hoping it don't go nowhere. Because if it goes somewhere, I'm going to be sad. Y'all see my face? Okay. So I'm going to take it off. Let's see. And voila. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's on fire, for real. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Y'all can't tell me y'all don't see that. Even though like a little bit of discoloration on my forehead. Ah! My hair is so cute. Ah! My hair is so cute, y'all. Y'all see it? I don't want to say perfect because nothing's perfect. But it's close to perfect. Oh, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure you like, comment down below, and also hit that hit the notification bell so you know when I post lit content. Period. I love you guys so much, y'all. The goal is 2K subscribers by the end of this month, and I believe that I am going to accomplish that goal either before the end of this month or either at the end of this month. But thank you guys for all your support. Y'all know my motto. Stay lifted, stay encouraged always. Enjoy your day, and don't let nobody ruin it. Love you, K-Babies.
Blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. I miss the way that you look in my eyes, man. I swear I'm getting back with you, girl. Keep on talking about my...